The National Testing Agency or the NTA has released the CUET Answer Key 2023 for the UG entrance test at cuet.samarth.ac.in. NTA has opened the CUET Answer Key challenge window and released the question papers and recorded responses. Candidates who have appeared for the CUET exam can download the answer key by using their application number and password in the login window. CUET 2023 result will be declared in the first week of July. Candidates should check out this video to know the step-by-step procedure on how to download the answer key. Visit the official website of NTA, cuet.samarth.ac.in. Click on the Sign In tab. Enter the application number, password, and security code. Click on the login window. Now, students can click on the View Challenge Answer Key. The CUET Answer Key 2023 will be displayed on the screen. Candidates can challenge or object the answer key with the duration of the challenge window. Candidates can download the CUET Answer Key for future references. For more details, click on the link available in the description box below.